If you've purchased or have been thinking of purchasing a DJI Care Refresh plan for your drone, then you may be happy to learn that DJI have just upgraded those plans to now include replacements for flyaways. But there are some caveats, so stay tuned. Yes, hello folks, my name is Simon, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be talking about the Care Refresh plans that DJI sell for their drones. I'm going to be focusing mostly on the Mini 2 since that is the model that I own, but I do believe a lot of this information will be applicable for various other DJI drone models as well. So, as you probably know, up until recently their Care Refresh plan allowed you to get a replacement drone twice per plan if your current drone was damaged during flight and you were able to recover that drone and send it back to DJI. However, this never really helped if you lost the drone, if it flew away, or if you just weren't able to recover it. Until now. So, the exciting news is that DJI have now included a flyaway option in the terms of their DJI Care Refresh plan, which means one time per plan, if you do have a flyaway, you will then be able to still claim a replacement. But as I mentioned, there are some caveats. So we'll get to the caveats, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you something you must do if you have the DJI Care Refresh plan before you are able to claim the flyaway. So, very important you watch that, otherwise you could be very disappointed if you do have a flyaway, thinking you're covered and you're not. First things to note then is that the cost of using the flyaway replacement service is substantially greater than if you were to return a damaged drone for a replacement under your service plan. So the cost for a flyaway is £209 for the Mini 2 here in the UK, which is over a four times increase of the standard replacement service if you were to return a damaged drone. However, £209 is still much cheaper than having to purchase a new drone outright, and before this change was added into the Care Refresh plan, that was the only other option. If you lost your drone and wanted it back, you would have to have purchased another one new. Secondly, you will be required to provide the accident flight records, and you will have to fill out an accident report form for DJI that they will send you. Now, the flight records can be downloaded from the app, so it's important that you do that as soon as possible before they're deleted or lost. According to their terms, if you cannot provide all the information that they request, then you cannot claim your replacement under the flyaway stipulations. And the third thing, and this is what I'm going to show you now, this is so important, simply purchasing or owning the Care Refresh plan and even just having that on your account is not going to be enough to claim under the flyaway rules. You must have bound the aircraft, and you can only do this from within the app, and this is the process. With drone controller and phone connected, you want to be at this screen where you can select the profile button at the bottom, and from the profile screen go to device management. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that the drone itself is bound to your account, and you can do that by hitting the blue link. You'll then read the terms as to why it is you're binding the device to your account, and once you're happy, go ahead and select next. You must go through this process if you have the Care Refresh, otherwise it will not be able to be used. Select confirm here, and the device has been bound. Now, what really prompted me to make this video was I saw one popular droner online claim that is the end of the process. It is not. If you leave it there, you will still not be able to claim under the flyaway terms. What you need to do now for the final step is head down to Value Added Service. And on the Value Added Service page, you can see we still need to bind the remote controller. Click the blue link, bind new RC, just as we had done before for the drone, and once again read through the terms. I just want to clarify again, you must bind both the drone and the remote controller. They have to be done separately, but they both do have to be done if you want to be able to claim in the event of a flyaway. And once you've read through the terms, select confirm, and then you are good to go. And should you have that flyaway, then you will be covered, so long as you can meet those other stipulations I mentioned earlier, such as providing DJI with the accident flight logs. So that's it then, folks. That is the update for the DJI Care Refresh plan for the Mini 2 drone. I'm interested though, does this additional value encourage you folks that didn't previously purchase the Care Refresh plan to want to do so now? Please do share your thoughts down in the comments below. Anyway, folks, I do appreciate your time in stopping by today. I hope the video's helped you. And if it has, don't forget to drop a like and perhaps even subscribe to my YouTube channel. That is a big support for me, so thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon for more DJI Mini 2 content. Take care.